Oh, so this is the bag. Pretty deep pockets. Already put some stuff in there. Down. It's pretty deep. It's got this middle, if you can see, there's a pocket right here. There's the pocket right there for the cord to plug in your portable charger, and is the two plugs.
We can try this. This is like a restaurant specializing in like to-go hibachi.
Huh.
First off, what is this?
Okay,
This
sorry.
hibachi sauce is yum yum sauce, and I'm interested in this.
And then the pockets, I like that it has these expanding sides too. And the whole bag is padded. Like the top is padded, the back. There's like another side pocket here below where you put the portable charger. But honestly, I think I got this on sale. It's like 26 bucks. This is legit. And it looks really nice and does not feel cheap. And fits everything very well. So you should check it out for yourself. I feel like it'd be a good bag for you too, or anyone. And I don't look like a turtle when I wear it, so that's also a plus. It's a very cute bag.
This design is great to me. I don't know why all backpacks are like that. This book looks like it's, makes the backpack look small, but this is actually a huge book, like massive. Massive book. This is a large book actually. These are probably 8.5 by 11. So, little aux cord. USB plug, there it is with a Yeti in it. Literally the only thing that could be better is I would like these to be another 3 inches or so long, but that's just because I'm a big person. Yeah, great.
Hey guys, just ordered this off Amazon. It was on sale, so we got it at a discounted price, but I have to say, if you're looking for a backpack to score your laptop, this is it. I mean, from top to bottom, this is premium. I can't use any other word to describe it. If you're somewhat of a motorcyclist and you want to put this in the back of your cycle, this is the way to do it. Put this right over the sissy bar to sit on the backrest, and you're set. I mean, I can't imagine a better setup for somebody who's on the go all the time. And hey, look, it can either be discreet or sleek. You can press it down or make it big when you got more stuff to put in it. And look at these. Just for cosmetics, you don't have to deal with these stupid little latches. It is magnetic. So, you heard it here first, guys. Best backpack on the market, but I gotta tell you, there's one more thing. There is a little charger in here, guys, something special. If you want to hook up something inside here is to the auxiliary jack, you can put your headphones in and then listen to whatever you got playing in there. There's so many different options. A charger right here too, if you have a battery pack in here. I know I do. This is it, guys. If you want something for on the go, when you need it, this is it. And little reflectors too. End video.
The backpack is all right there on the side. There is a lot of space in here. It's, you know, for your books, your paperwork, everything. The main reason I got it was for my laptop, and it definitely does keep my laptop in place. I haven't had any issues with it. I've had it for about 6 months, and it holds my laptop very well, and it doesn't slip out of place. It's a lot of room in there. My laptop is a 15 by 6 inch. So if you are looking for something to hold not only your books, but your laptop as well, I would definitely recommend this. It is great.
Realmente es espaciosa, o sea, tiene un buen tamaño, está muy bien para el precio. Aquí ahora no se nota tanto, pero ya llevo como unos 2 meses de uso y pues hasta ahora siento que no tengo ninguna queja de él. Y pues ha soportado bastante, puesto que en la universidad tengo que llevar bastantes cosas. Entonces, todo bien.